What's up guys, this is Josh, ATM Technician. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to troubleshoot a communication error. So one of two communication errors are going to come up on your home screen when you're having an issue. A TSONO error or a host communication error on your home screen are going to appear when you're having an issue. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to check and see if your ATM is pulling an IP address. So you're going to do clear enter 123. You're going to enter your unique code followed by enter. And you're going to hit the button that says config, and then you're going to hit the TCP/IP set and the ATM IP button. And if there's no IP that appears on this screen, the next step is to open up your top cabinet, and you're going to want to ensure that your Ethernet cord is both plugged into the ATM side and the router side. So in the back of this ATM, the Ethernet cord should be plugged in to the port that says LAN. And then obviously the router side, make sure the connection is nice and clean. So once you've ensured that the Ethernet cord is plugged in both ends, both on the ATM and the router correctly, and you're still not pulling an IP address through your ATM, there could be one of three issues. Either a dysfunctional Ethernet cord, a problem with your internet service, or something wrong with the programming of your ATM. So what you want to do is you want to unplug the Ethernet cable from the back of your ATM and plug it into a laptop or something that requires internet. If that device is receiving internet, then you know that it is not the Ethernet cord. If it is not, then you need to replace the Ethernet cord in order to fix the issue. So if you've replaced your Ethernet cord and you're still not resolving the issue, it could be the programming, the port, or the firewall. In the case of programming, one of three things could be incorrect: host IP, communication settings, or encryption keys. So if it is not a problem with your Ethernet cord or your programming, it's most likely a problem with your router. Whether you are on a wireless router or a wired router, what I want you to do is to restart your router. So once you restart your router, wait 3 minutes and restart your machine. Once the machine is up and running, it'll most likely resolve the issue. If it does not resolve the issue, it's most likely a problem with your router. With these steps provided, you should be able to remedy your communication error. If not, please reach out to one of our technicians and they will be able to assist you further. Thank you.